This is the latest Fesion plug and play DSP audio system for any car. So they come with 131 band digital signal processor amplifier and 2-inch full range speaker. This one is very good for the worker. And subwoofer, they got two types to select. One is dual active 6-inch times 2, means 2-piece 6-inch spare tire active subwoofer, and the other one is 8-inch under seat active subwoofer. So the point is, this system is very easy to install. So all the cable is complete, just plug and play for all the system. Whole system is plug and play. No need to cut one wire. So very simple to install. Normally install time is less than half an hour. So just plug and play, simple and nice. Enjoy with the good sound.